Yeah, hi guys. So we're back. We're going to do a few movements around Cocorinha and going to the floor. Simple things actually, but as usual, quite easy, but they have their way to do them. So I want you to try and notice those important details. We're going to be going down onto the floor. So we need to do a few exercises to warm up. One is very simple, straight down in a squat. Okay, sitting down, body can fit in this middle part here. Your hands, and you leave up and you stand. And sit down in the middle. The other thing is your hands. I want you to warm up your hands. In this little video series, this is the first time we're putting our hands on the floor. So I want you to open the fingers fully, okay? Not put the hands down like this or with the fingers in this position like on the thumb. Hands flat on the floor. You just open the fingers as wide as possible, okay? Hold the stomach in, do your squat, and then put the hands on the floor, okay? Lean on there a few times, just get the body weight on the hands, okay? Afterwards, if you want, do the same thing and just balance forward with the feet off the floor, and you can gain a little bit of balance training from there, okay? The other thing is move the wrists in various ways, okay? We do put our hands on the floor a lot, so you have to look after your hands. You have to learn how to get the fist closed, the hands strong. If you don't do manual work, you're probably going to need to do some other supplementary training. If you come from an office, you almost definitely need to do something where you're using the hands equally and manually, okay? Okay, so the Cocorinha, there's various ways to do it. So from the ginga, bring a ginga here, moving as we've been practicing, yeah? You go down and back this way, okay? And the other hand protects you. So if the kick's going that way, this hand is up. But as you go down, you step forward, yeah? So you kind of fall down a little. It isn't, I'll demonstrate in a minute what it isn't, okay? And then you stand up, you put one foot in front a little, and this hand goes over the top. Looking, touch the floor, and you stand up. Okay, that's the front. Kick comes as I step forward, okay? So the kick doesn't come after I've stepped forward. The kick is coming as you step forward. And the kick comes and you go back and down, okay? And to stand up, you put one of the feet in front and you either change hands and do a hollow, looking always where the kick was coming from, or the chair, okay? And then you come back. Okay, down and forward, okay? And this time we're going to change hands, put this foot forward, and I turn looking at the chair, okay? So I'm leaning on this hand now. You see that? It's quite important. And you move forward, and then you stand up. Okay? You go down, and then stand, looking at the camera all the time, or the chair, or the person. This is the most important part of capoeira, looking. I want you to video yourselves and see if you're actually watching the camera. Down and back. Back with the body, forward with the foot. Okay? This one. Or you can change. Okay? Moving forward and then standing. You've got the chair. Let's get the chair.